everyone, thanks for joining me again. Sorry I didn't post anything last week, I feel bad about that. But I have a good reason. I was taking classes and studying so I could get my commercial drone pilot certificate. This morning I went down to a local airport. And there's a testing facility there that I took my exam and I passed. So now I'm a commercial drone pilot, and I can fly drones to do things like take awesome real estate videos for real estate agents. I can inspect roofs for roofing companies, construction sites for construction companies, or do amazing cinematic videos like I love doing. It was a lot of hard work, but I'm really glad I did it, and I'm so excited to see what awesome opportunities come my way because of it. So thank you guys so much for bearing with the fact that I didn't put out a video last week. And I hope because of this, though, I'm able to produce even more amazing content for all of you. Alright, that's all for now, and I hope to see you out there. Bye!